Greetings everyone. So today I want to talk about your LED strips. If you're thinking about putting down LED strips in your setup, whether it's your game room, your basement, your office, you might want to take a different option like I did. So let's talk about it right after this. Okay, so you want to make your area colorful. Whether it's your entertainment area, your office area, or your man cave, or whatever you want to call it. Here are some options that you might want to consider. Now, you can get the LED strips, and they are easy to work with. You know, the difference is, some of them you can attach together, extend it a little bit, and then some, once you cut it, that's it. You just have to cut it to length. But then you have a whole bunch of wires you have to hook up and power adapters and all that kind of stuff. Now, if you don't want to go through all of that, there's some options that I chose to use this time when I was setting up my Oasis. So in my previous location, I had LED strips. I put all the strips under my equipment shelves and under my desk. And I wired them up individually because I wanted to, extend them out and design them in a way where I can see lights everywhere. Now, when I came to this location, I decided to take a different route. And instead, I went for these right here. Now, these are made by Govee, and it's the Flow Plus. Now, these are stuck under my desk just using command strips. And I still get the same effects of the lights that I really wanted to. The difference with these, I'm not stuck with one color. So if I want to rotate the colors around, I can do that. If I want one glow to be a certain color, like a red or a blue, and the other one be pink, purple, or whatever, then I can choose to do that and it can blend the colors separately. Now, I know there are LED strips that you can choose to have different color depending on which part of the strip that you want to be a certain color, but the glow had an effect that I was looking for. Like I said, I can stick these things anywhere that I want to under my desk. So I've put a couple under my desk. I put some under my rack where my computer is. And then I put two by the TV rack to get a different color effect going on. Now, at my previous location, I had the Philips glow lights. And I decided instead of getting the Philips one, because those are very expensive coming from Philips. And you can get some lower cost ones from Govi, which works just as great. As a matter of fact, to me, they're much brighter and they come with a little bit more effects that you can go with. They can move to the sound of the music, or you can choose different modes to change the lights into those different modes that you like, romantic, fireworks, whatever. Now, I'm not saying the Philips can't do what you like the Govi to do. You'd have to do some extra work just to get it done. But in the app of the Govi, it's just automatically there and it's ready to go. So that's the Govi Flow. And like I said, this is the Plus. They have different ones on their website, and I'll leave a link in the description to this particular one that you can choose from. But these are easy to hook up if you don't want to worry about the strips. Now, the strips does have some type of usage in them. So I'm not saying that the strips are not. I'm just saying this is easy to connect and get you up and running in no time. Now, there's one more thing that I want to show you, and it's called the Govi Rope. Now, with the rope, you can put this anywhere that you would like it to be. You can put it along the wall. You can put it under the furniture, under your bed, because it's a rope. So it runs anywhere that you want it to be. Plus, with the rope, you can have different design if you wanted to. You can have it going in different directions. You can spell out things. You can do whatever you want to do it because it's very flexible. And it comes with clips that you can mount on the wall, or you can mount it under the furniture, like I said, just like I did. And the lights have their own different special effects. You can have different parts of the rope with different colors, or you can just choose one of the presets that comes with the app and have it do a light show, for instance, or just having the lights going back and forth, flashing, whatever. So the rope will give you a different option of what you want to do with it. And you can actually run it behind your desk if you want to, or run it behind your furniture. Like I said, anywhere that's easy and convenient for you. Now, the good thing about the Flow and the rope is they give you consistent light. The light is not being individually noticed, because on the LED strips, each one of those individual lights, you can actually see if you look real close, because they're shining separately. They're not actually blend together like they do with the flow and the rope. So if you like the effect of not seeing each individual LED light when you turn on the strip, then the flow and the rope is going to give it that consistent blending color. So that's what I chose to use in this setup instead of going with the LED strips. Now I do have LED strips on the bottom of the fish tank stand, and that's the only place that I put the LED strips. They're waterproof, and in case they get wet, I don't have to worry about them getting damaged. But other than that, like I said, to make my life easier, I went with the flow and the rope this time to light up my area. Now I still have the LED bulbs from different brands that I use, and I just connect them all under one group in the Amazon Voice Assistant app, so I can just turn them all off at one time and change the color all at one time. And then I have them in separate subgroups. So I have the desk group, and then I have the home entertainment group, but I can still turn them all off and all on at the same time. So that's my colorful light setup that I want to talk about in this video. If you have any questions, leave it down in the comment section. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Links will be in the description for all the stuff that I talk about in this video. Thanks for taking the time for watching. Have a good one, and I'll see you next time.